Welcome back. In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop PWA food delivery system and WhatsApp menu ordering with admin panel, restaurant POS. So this type of script is very good for the food vendors. Let's look at the demo. Let's look at the demo. I click on try demo. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So look at how it looks like. This is admin panel. This is the front end. Let me click on admin panel. Use the IAM link in the description to IAM to help you install your script. So from here I can come to the login page, take the login. So now after purchasing my script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel I go to my files. Under my files I go to my file manager. Then next I go to the subdomain I will be using for the searching purposes, which is this. Yes, this. I've already uploaded my script, so let me start it. Let's start files. Please like, share and subscribe to my channels. If this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. After that I close it. I've successfully uploaded my script and started it to my file manager. So next let me copy my subdomain name, open a new tab and place it there. Then enter. Next I click on check environment, all are in order, check permissions. Then I will go back to my file manager. Then under storage framework I'll change it to 775, storage logs 775, storage frameworks and logs I'll change them to 775. 775 logs 775, save. Let me go back there to confirm. It thinks okay. Bootstrap cache up one level. Bootstrap cache I will change it to 775, save. So I'm going back to my website. I refresh it, all are in order. So license setup, site setup, app, let me see food, let's say FoodAppi, FoodAppi. I copy it. That's my app URL. I place it there. Database setup. So this time I will go back to my cPanel to create my database. So this time I'm going to my database. Database is my so let me name my database as I want to confirm something. I should name it as okay. Now, tutorial cited, create database. Use the IAM link in the description to IAM to help you install your script. So next I click on go back. So I've successfully created my database. Next, let me create my database username. User. Then next I click on create database. I have successfully created my username. I have successfully created my database. So I click on go back. Next, I'm going to add my user to my database. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So let me scroll down. This time around, I want to add my user to my database. I will make sure I select the one I just created. Here is it. Here is it. Then I click on add. Next, I give up privileges. Then scroll down to make changes. I have successfully added my user to my database. So let me scroll up to copy my database username. Copy. I go back to my site. So database name. So let me edit this to be my database name. So what I use as my database name. Okay. Next, I click on final setup. So next, this is the login information. I click on finish. So I just click on this. So look at this, and the demo I showed you. As you can see, they are the same. For your then, I can click on login if I want to log in. Look at it. As you can see, they are the same. So for your app development installation, please use the IAM link in the description to IAM to help you install or develop your app. If this video is helpful, please use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Thank you.